How to disconnect Trust Wallet account. First of all, open Trust Wallet on your device and make sure that your account is logged in. Now, if you want to actually disconnect the Trust Wallet account, it's quite easy. Go ahead and tap on this wallet menu on the top left-hand corner. Once you do this, you can see your wallet or your wallet address. Now, to disconnect from your Trust Wallet account, go ahead and tap on the three dots on the right side of the wallet. So go ahead and tap on wallet on the top hand side. After you do that, tap on the three dots on the main wallet address. Then you can see delete option on the top right. Go ahead and tap on delete once and click on delete once again. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and tap on backup manually, backup to Google Drive, or proceed anyway. So if you want to completely disconnect from the Trust Wallet, your account will be completely disconnected if you just go ahead and tap on proceed anyway. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and tap on it once, go ahead and enter your PIN or your fingerprint, wait for a while, and the app or your Trust Wallet address or account will be disconnected. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.